Khan's review of this movie because specifically for movies which I know have tanked, I love watching his reviews for those movies. Because I know वो मूवी बुरी है, वो उस बुरी मूवी का बुराई इतने बढ़िया तरीके से करता है ना इस मूवी में
Takes
he's
it one
like
notch higher.
and he'll be like और फिर एंट्री होती है तब्बू की जो बनी है इस मूवी में एक चर्सी आपा
We're doing another quiz after a short break of no quizzing, but I thought the end of the year, warranties some sort of Bollywood quizzing. So we'll be doing one or two, depending on the time, before the year ends. So introductions very quickly. I'm Priya. I run all things movies. I live in London, and we've got with us Ankita from Delhi, Neil from London, Ria from Melbourne, and Shreya from Bombay joining us today. Hope you guys are excited about this quiz. But I'll explain the rules very quickly, okay? So we'll have a different format to what we've done previously. There'll be a total of 15 questions, and there'll be direct questions to each of you. So it's not that everybody has to answer every question. We'll be going in alphabetical order and clockwise, starting with Ankita. And you'll follow as we continue. You'll understand how the game goes. So everyone's ready.
Yes.
I'm wearing Tata Crucible shirt also.
Yeah, you're totally prepared for the
Just the right level. Just the right level.
Okay, great. So without wasting any more time on the rules, I'm going to start. First question is a direct to Ankita.
For some reason the only movie that I can think of is एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा because उसमें राजकुमार had like a drama company, but I don't think that's the correct answer. But yeah, that is the only thing that I can think of, so that's my answer.
No, that's not correct. So we pass this on to Neil.
I was thinking of the same. Okay. Is this Khiladi?
No, it's not Khiladi. Passing on to Ria.
Since you said there's a hint, I haven't watched the movie, but is it Kabhi Kabhi?
It's not Kabhi Kabhi.
That's the original.
Okay, moving to Shreya.
Is it Dil To Pagal Hai?
No, it's not. It's not Dil To Pagal Hai. But you guys are on the right track. But let me give you all a hint. So think about stage performance in Hindi, and this is a huge hint. But think about an act in Hindi. And this is for 5 points, but for Ankita. So going back to Ankita.
Is it Tamasha?
It is Tamasha.
Yeah. I had the same answer, yeah. That was a good hint.
Oh. What was it like? What happened?
So they are dressed up in, you'll remember the first scene is when Deepika is wearing a clown costume and he's a tin man. And then they start with like a banter. It starts with Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein Khayal Aata Hai. I thought you all would get it from the costumes and the stage performance.
I want to forget the movie Tamasha.
I think I got confused with the question only.
I thought originally it's Kabhi Kabhi or Silsila. I'm confused now.
Kabhi Kabhi.
Kabhi Kabhi, yeah.
I thought that's why I thought.
Silsila is Main Aur Meri Tanhai.
Main Aur Meri Tanhai.
Right.
Okay, great. So you all get the way the quiz is going to be, right? The format.
Questions also are tough. Looks like this time.
It is tough. I'm inspired. Okay. So moving on to the second question, which is Neil's direct.
There's a table. Oof.
Yeah. Can you all see?
Yeah.
This is the film. It's tough. This is the filmography of X from 1995 to 2000. So this is the movies that the person did over these years. There's a reason why I have blacked out Hera Fairy. I want you to identify who X is.
Okay. This person has done a lot of movie with Akshay Kumar. Bhushan, yes, boss.
Is it like, okay, male, female? Okay,
I
why am
can't say yet.
Female is Thakral in International Khiladi. I don't think there was a female character Thakral in International Khiladi.
Sher Khan.
Or King Dawn for that matter.
Dawn, I think there was another King Dawn in Kannam. Shalaku. Hera Fairy. This is too few movie, but is it Johnny Lever?
No, it's not Johnny Lever. Moving on to Ria.
Is it Gulshan Grover?
It is Gulshan Grover. Great answer.
Ooh, wow.
He was the villain. He's the only villain where like one of the old villains. And I remember I only remembered Hera Fairy.
And I had blacked out Kabira, which would be away.
Yeah.
Because I think everybody knows who played Kabira and Hera Fairy. But this album, with a very famous song, was sung by a sister-brother duo from Pakistan. It holds the record of being the best-selling Asian pop and is often considered to have started the individual pop revolution in India and Pakistan. Identify the famous song from this album. There are many hints in the question. It's a sister-brother duo from Pakistan.
Why do I know every question except for my own direct question? I know every answer. Abhi tak.
Asian pop. I mean, I'm just thinking. Can I think aloud without saying what my answer is? Maybe giving hints to
You might be giving hints to the other people, but yeah, feel free to think aloud.
Asian song. I mean, Pakistani duo. I'm Pakistani singer. I know Hawa Hawa is sung by a Pakistani man, but I don't remember there being a girl. And I know Aap Jaisa Koi was sung by a Pakistani lady. But where is the duo? Which became like the best-selling song.
It's the
Asian
album.
pop.
So the album became the best-selling album, and I'm looking for
And
the
the
name of a famous song.
song is famous. Hawa only. That's my answer. I don't want to delay.
No, that's not the correct answer. So going to Ankita for 10 points.
She knows.
Zohaib and Nazia Hassan, Disco Diwane.
Okay, Nazia Hassan is the singer who sang that, no? The other one. Okay.
You were
And
close.
which is the Disco Divane is the song.
It's the
Famous
song
song.
and the name of the album. It's both Disco Divani. This is the next one is Neil's direct. X was the 7th collaboration between Y and Z.
He is getting all tabular and algebraic.
Why we have a maths question? Huh?
So Black Friday, a movie that I have blanked out, Dave D, Monsoon, Shootout, Raman Raghavan, and Mukabas. I'm looking for X, Y, and Z.
X was the 7 between Y and Z.
Is this an exhaustive list?
This is an exhaustive list.
And are they
until the seventh
Yeah.
collaboration, at least.
So that the one which you have blocked out is that's one. Two,
That's
three.
just a giveaway in terms of the answer. So I don't
That's
want to
not
give that.
X.
No, that's not.
Okay.
And there'll be part points. So even if you get, a part of the answer correct, X, Y, or Z.
Okay. So one seems to be Anurag Kashyap. Why? Shit, is it AK versus AK, Anurag Kashyap, and Z is what's his name, the producer? Shit, what's his name? Are the other two correct?
What is your final answer?
AK versus AK. Anurag Kashyap.
Anurag Kashyap is correct. So I'll give
Okay.
you part points for that. But let's pass on to Ria. So, Ria, do you know the other two?
Does Nawazuddin fit anywhere here?
Hmm.
Is that an answer?
Yes.
He
Yes.
was.
Nawazuddin
oh.
is.
Ah,
He's there.
Let's see now.
but
Now
is he
let's-
there in?
He was in
Is there in
Mukkabaz.
Mukkabaz?
He was.
Oh.
I don't remember him in. I also thought Nawazuddin, but because Raman Raghav is
Mukkabaz, I kind of rejected him.
even Devdi, I don't remember Nawazuddin.
He was in the
there.
song.
Oh,
What about
Looking for X. Now, X is
a
a
movie or is it a movie?
it's content.
Sacred Games?
It is
Oh.
Sacred Games. Yeah.
Oh, really? Will I get extra points?
You will get 4 points for Sacred Games, 3 points for Nawazuddin, so 7 points, and then Neil will get 3 points for Anurag Kashyap.
Hmm.
I should get 2 points from Ria for putting her in that direction and answering.
Maths, like, I don't think so. Like, it's
It's only part points that you get.
formula doesn't matter. Like, you and as long as you get the answer, I guess.
The next direct is for Shreya. The quiz master is always right. That's how unfortunately things work. Okay. Man, Woman and Child is a novel by Eric Siegel. The Bollywood adaptation, released in the 80s, was a remake of the Malayalam film Olangal, which was based on the novel. What was the name of this Bollywood movie?
Is it Akele Hum Akele Tum?
No, it's not.
Oh,
That was 90s.
so that was such a good answer.
But many hints again in the question. And on the lines. So going to Ankita.
Masoom.
It is Masoom, yes.
Hmm.
10 points to Ankita. Okay, so moving on to Neil for his direct because Ankita answered the previous one. Sorry, long one.
Are
Oh my
Okay,
God.
another X,
Why am I getting all the X's?
but you're not getting this one, I think.
Over the
This
next,
is the right one.
huh?
This is the right one.
This is the right one, yes.
Ah,
Is
So-
this again has, like 2-3 parts or what?
There's only one answer, X. You have to identify X.
Ria is again very the same. It may again happen.
If you go to Ria, then she will get. And because this is a very tough one, I'm just going to add another point to it. He ended up being a writer after this, a writer and a screenplay.
Is there a movie?
It's
like-
not a tough one. You should not have added that hint.
Is it Salim Khan?
It is Salim Khan, yes.
Oh, I was thinking Javed Akhtar. So then, okay. I would have got it wrong. I am always coming close and then getting the wrong one. But
Javed
I guess
An actor?
I thought Farhan Akhtar's father had also a failed
He
Bollywood
came as
career.
a poet.
But Salman Khan's father also did.
He and the story is like they were from a wealthy family in Indore, and he did his BA and everything. But because he was good looking and he was encouraged, he thought, let's go into movies. That's how his journey in the movie started. And then he didn't get to any place. So he became Javed Akhtar actually approached him, I think, to be a writer and screenwriter. जो भी बोलते हैं उसको screenwriter.
His next generation more than made up for all the lack of success.
Screen
in the
time.
acting. And they'll continue to milk it for generations to come, I think.
Are there going to be more
And Sohail Khan
generations?
has something relatable.
Huh?
Suhail Khan has something relatable in his family.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess. Okay, now Ria gets a full direct. So
Probably something tough. Let's see.
I want you to tell me what links the following actors, and like the hint is here. I'll just go over who these guys are. So the first one is Mohanlal, the second one is Venkatesh, the third one is Ravi Chandran, the fourth one is Kamal Hassan, and then the fifth one is our very own Ajay Devgan.
I don't even know the first three, like, who they are. No.
Think about it. Take some time to think about what may be common to these.
Is it Rajnikant? No, that's not my answer, but wait, because that's the first thing that came.
How will Rajnikant be common?
It can be that some
They all
movies
worked
together.
with Rajnikant.
Some movies. So what other relation can it be? So it's not an actor relation.
No, it's not an actor relation, but I can't answer any more follow-up questions.
That's a very vague question.
It's actually not vague. It's very specific.
Links the
Okay.
following.
So but what kind of link do you want? Because like thoda sa like.
What could be the link? They are all actors.
So what if I say movie? I'll get the will I get like
So
the
more
point?
specific. You need to tell me more specific.
Like if it has to be like specific.
Which movie?
Oh,
There
it's
are
a
two.
particular movie also. Oh, they were in
About
one
it.
movie. Wait, let me like. Oh, is it since this guy was Drishyam or something? No. Wait. If that last guy, he was in some movie. Let me think. It must be some remake of some movie. Let me think. Huh. Because I remember he did a movie with like Abhi recently, like not recently, but yeah, it was some thriller wala kind of thing. Like I'm just thinking.
Do you want to give an answer?
Yeah, I'm just thinking of that movie. I'm confused between two movies, but I'm probably wrong, like both of them.
Which one are you thinking? Give one answer.
Okay, let me think. Finally, I want to remember if he's in this movie or not. Like, I think should I answer?
Quickly, Ria.
Yeah, sorry. I'll answer. Sorry. I'll Drishyam only. Like
It's
because
the
I don't
correct
know any.
answer. It is
What?
Drishyam.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
So they were all in Drishyam, is it?
because
Yeah.
Version.
They all did different versions of Drishyam.
Ah, okay. Oh, Drishyam got remade so many times in multiple languages.
I didn't know that. I thought that is Drishyam. So log ne like I just since it's adaptation of like something, so I thought ki, yeah.
It started
I
with the
thought that,
Malayalam version of Drishyam.
Mohanlal.
Ah.
Yes, started with
Wow.
Mohanlal, and then it got made in Telugu, Tamil, which others? Kannada, then Hindi, and in I think 2017 they also made a Sri Lankan version of it.
Wow.
Which is not on this on this. Ajay Devgan was the giveaway, right? Because he
Yeah.
I thought that one could be that they're all sons of stunt directors because that's
Exactly,
one
that's
fact
what I
I know about Ajay Devgan. Or
That's
I
what-
thought that they all made their biggest movies playing a cop because I've seen Mohanlal in a cop costume also.
Yeah, I remember his face. I know him by face, but not by his name.
Okay. Okay, good. So that's the end of round 1. We'll reverse the order now. So because Ria answered this, we'll start with Neil.
Is this another long question?
Which movie did Amitabh Bachchan win his first national award?
Janzir.
No, it wasn't Zanjeer. Moving on to Ankita.
Wow. काफी ही
This is not a trick question, right?
No, it's
नहीं,
a direct.
I don't know why Saath Hindustani keeps coming into mind जबकि I know वो नहीं था उसमें तो
हाँ
अब this one जिसमें उसका इंजरी हुआ था बहुत तेज कूली नंबर 1 नहीं
No. Number
Yeah,
one.
what was Coolie? Just Coolie. Yeah. Coolie.
Not Coolie.
That's much later.
Not Coolie.
Coolie was much later.
It
Does
goes
it
to
move to
Shreya.
Shreya?
Yeah, it moves to
Ah.
Shreya.
Is it by any chance Anand?
It's not Anand. Moving
Although
to
Rajesh
Ria,
Khanna
Anand.
should have got the national award for it, if anyone.
No, not Anand. So Ria,
when did he win this award?
I can't tell. Follow-up
As if
questions,
Ria.
पूछ के. She's demystifying.
I think the last time also she got that movie hint. It was a hint only, I think.
But it was such a vague question, no? Because kya link hai, like, like what kind of
Yeah.
link? So,
Yeah.
Okay. Piku, I know it's wrong. I'm just saying it because I don't know when since, so I'm just gonna say Piku.
I think he did get the national award for Piku, but it wasn't the first one. If I know
Wasn't the
correctly, he
first.
did get one for Piku. I'm looking for the first movie that he got a national award for.
Will I get half points?
No.
So the round is over, right? This one?
Yeah, the round is over. Now playing for 5. The hint is that the movie was remade recently.
Oh.
Okay.
Movie was remade recently.
Now I know.
I think I know. Recently.
I can guess. I don't know.
Is
If
it
it's
Sholay?
No, Neil, when was Sholay remade recently?
Recently.
I thought Sholay only. Ram Gopal Verma ki Aag and all, I thought.
No.
Oh.
What kind of hint is this? He died in Sholay. He got to get a national award. He died, no? In Sholay? Yeah, he died in Sholay.
I haven't
Moving to
watched
Ankita.
Sholay.
So I am tied between 2 movies, which is Diwar and Agnipath. But Diwar was never remade, so I think it's Agnipath.
It is Agnipath.
Good one, good one.
Because like उसका iconic क्या तो वही है क्योंकि कूली में वो पिटा था या फिर विजय दीनानाथ चौहान.
Vijay Deenanath.
मंदिर वाला scene in Diwar, so it's
It
not
was
very
in 1990 that he got his first one. I was actually surprised. I thought he
Really?
won a lot earlier, but he didn't.
Oh, and now his son Abhishek may get also, I mean, after many years. So then what's the
He
difference
hasn't
between
got it
them? Yeah, may. He will probably not.
For what? What will he get? Abhishek.
OTT, he's nominated, no?
Oh, is he nominated for a national award?
No.
National
No,
award,
no.
I think he got it.
Oh, for behind
He's
the
nominated for the Filmfare OTT award.
No, I think he has gotten national award for Guru. I think in 2000,
Oh.
everyone got national award in 2000s.
Guru, of course, people would have got. Guru, everybody would have got everything because
In
It's
10 years,
Saif
even
Ali
he
Khan
played
got
Dhirubhai
Hum Tum.
Ambani.
If Saif Ali Khan got a national award for Hum Tum, then
What?
Guru ke
Have
liye-
you guys seen the one where those guys, honest movie review guys, they really make fun of Saif? He's sitting there, they make fun of him for all his movies and his awards. It's a lot of fun.
Bollywood by Pratap. Something.
Pratap is here. Pratap is here.
Pratap is
Pratap is
standing.
Rambo.
Pratap is standard, yeah. So who answered this question? It was Ankita. So going the next direct is for Shreya. Okay.
I think I'm the only person sitting at 0 now in this quiz.
Which leading Bollywood pair was first considered to play the title roles in
Okay.
Bajirao Mastani in the late
I
90s?
know. Oh, in the late 90s?
I mean, it
Oh.
was late 90s when Sanjay Leela Bhansali was thinking about making this.
I.
Oh. I thought Kareena Kapoor was, I mean, that's not my answer, but the Kareena Kapoor was considered before Deepika, right? But this is 90s? Late 90s?
In his first conception of the movie, who did he consider?
Oh, man. Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol.
No.
No, that is not the answer.
Moving to Ria. 10 points.
Any hint?
No.
I'm popular.
I come before Ankita in this order, right?
Huh?
I come before Ankita in this order.
You do, yes. Love your confidence in Ria. You know, Ria gets to it by the end, right? Haven't you? No,
You can't answer any clarifying question.
no clarifying question.
Was it Salman Khan and the Aishwarya Rai?
It was. It
What?
was
Oh,
Salman
wow.
Khan and
Wonderful.
Tukka Queen. Ria is a Tukka Queen.
No, but there is some logic
I
behind
get
it. He did
I
other
get
movies with Salman Khan, right? What did he do? He did something with Salman Khan, no?
Hum Dil De Chuke
Hum Dil
Sanam.
De Chuke Sanam,
Hum Dil De Chuke.
Khamoshi.
Khamoshi. Salman Khan is his favorite.
Salman Khan and Aishwarya, both he's worked with, so obviously. And that time they were at the peak
And
of
he
their
did
relationship.
conceptualize this soon after Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. But then they broke
And then
up.
Salman Khan must have whacked Aishwarya around that time, so.
So they broke up. Then this Salman Khan tried to push to Katrina Kaif, but that did not work. Then
And then
he
Sneha
tried to.
Ullal, and then Zareen Khan, and then any other lookalikes of his.
Exactly.
Then they tried Kareena Kapoor with Salman Khan. But Salman Khan and Katrina Kapoor were already doing another movie. It may have been that one, Bodyguard, I think, as a lead together. And Sanjay Leela Bhansali did not want an existing lead to work.
What didn't they do Kyunki together?
Maybe Kyunki, which came before. They did Bodyguard also, right, together. But I think Kyunki was probably the first one. So he didn't want to repeat the pair. So he.
Oh, I
dropped
thought
that.
Kareena became pregnant at that time. That's why she didn't.
No. Kareena became pregnant in 2017 or something.
Taimur is very young.
It seems like Taimur has been around forever, but he's actually quite young. Tim is actually quite a child. Tim is a child. Okay, so Ria answered this. So the next direct goes to Neil. This is question number 10. This is the central plot of a movie. While working on their story, Sudhir and Vinod decide to enter a photography contest that carries a prize money of rupees 5,000 and take a number of photographs all over the city. On developing their pictures, in one of the photographs, they see a man shooting someone. Identify the movie.
Jaane bhi do yaar.
That's correct.
Even I thought of it, although I don't remember it clearly, but it just came to me. Oh no. So sad.
It was Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. And actually, you know,
Yeah, no, every time I think of this movie, I can only think of Satish Shah in a sari, like dead Satish Shah wearing a sari.
Which is that Beta Duryodhan wala line, that one I think of.
And you know, Ravi Vaswani is the second guy. So Nasiruddin Shah and Ravi Baswani, and one of the characters is actually called Sudhir Mishra. Sudhir Mishra was also the writer-director of this movie, so he gave one of the characters his own name.
Like a common sounding name it is.
Yeah.
Not like a Rahul or Raj.
Yeah, it was probably too early. This was what, 1983 or something. Yeah, Ria, you may not have heard of this. Have you heard of the movie? It's
I
No?
never
it's
any question.
it's a great movie though. I think I may rewatch it.
Yeah,
Remember,
it's very critically acclaimed.
Yeah.
and it's a satire, so it's yeah. Okay. So Neil answered this. The next direct is for Ankita. What links the list below? It's announcing Tomar, Ship of Theseus, Court, Bahubali, The Beginning, Kasav, Village Rockstars, Helaro. It's not an exhaustive list, but it's an exhaustive list for the period in which these movies were. It's a part of a much longer list.
Like, what is that period then?
I can't say. But
Who
think
is the
about
question
when.
for?
Huh? It's
Who
for
is the question for?
Ankita's direct.
Yeah, no, I can't. I literally cannot think of anything. Fancy.
Okay. Then we
But
move
like literally the only movie I've watched two of these movies, but yeah, that's about it. I can't think of anything. I'll pass.
Okay, then going on to Shreya for 10 points. This is your chance to
Um,
win.
I know a couple of things about some of these movies, but I don't think enough to. I know Anand Gandhi wrote and directed perhaps Ship of Theseus. But is Anand Gandhi the common link?
No.
Oh,
Okay, so
will that be considered to be my answer?
yes, because you asked me a question. Okay, so moving to Ria.
Is it some book or like some author related something, like maybe adaptation or something? Okay, let me think. The Bahubali. What links the? Um, I have no clue.
Okay, so pass.
Hmm.
Okay, Neil, do you have an answer?
Are these the winner of Best Film in National Film Awards between 2014 and 20?
That's correct.
Oh,
Ah, good one. Yeah, winners. They're all good movies actually. I mean,
And so what I
Bahubali.
they're different language, so it cannot be filmfare. There's nothing else that is common between them. So
That's correct. And this, I mean, it's not exhaustive, which is why I said what it's exhaustive over that period of time.
Helaro is 2020 or 2019.
2019. So it's 2013 to 2019. Okay. Fine. So Neil answered it. So the next direct goes to Ankita. Great Expectations is one of the most famous novels written by Charles Dickens. It was recently adapted into a Bollywood movie. It was directed by a filmmaker whose filmography includes another movie based on a book, Indian and Not a Classic, which is the book. Identify the movie on which was based on Great Expectations.
I mean, very embarrassing, but I've all. So, Great Expectations. I don't know. I'll pass. Maybe I'll come back to this.
Okay, Shreya, do you know? I'm looking for the movie, the Hindi movie that was based on Great Expectations.
You're looking for the name of the movie. Heard of a movie that was made as an adaptation of Great Expectations.
Do you pass?
It's a pass.
Okay, Ria,
is it Fitur?
it is Fitur, yes.
Uh,
I haven't watched the movie either. So, ye to
Which is the
kabhi-
other movie made by the filmmaker?
Kai Poche, which was made based on the Three Mistakes.
Chetan Bhagat.
I felt the need to say it was an Indian movie and not a classic.
Not a classic. The Three Mistakes.
But Yeah, Fitur. Fitur was based on Great Expectations, and you're not missing out by not watching, by not having watched it.
But you shouldn't have like great expectations before watching it.
From this movie.
Exactly.
I just remember watching Kamal R. Khan's review of this movie because, specifically for movies which I know have tanked, I love watching his reviews for those movies. Because I know वो movie बुरी है, तो उस बुरी movie का बुराई इतने बढ़िया तरीके से करता है ना। इस movie में
Takes it
he's
one
like,
notch higher.
and he'll be like, और फिर एंट्री होती है तब्बू की जो बनी है इस मूवी में एक चर्सी आपा।
Just
It
the
was a
oppa.
good story, though.
The songs were really nice.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
And Aditya Roy Kapoor is really nice. I mean, he's full eye candy, right?
Why
Is
do you
he?
think I watched the movie?
Yeah,
I didn't have great expectations.
Another trivia is, since I'm in the mood of giving out trivia, Tabu's character was supposed to be played by Rekha first, but then she was replaced by Tabu.
Yeah. Good.
So that could have been another question. But anyway, because Ria got this direct, and by the way, Ria is leading right now.
Wow.
The next direct is for Neil. This song from a 2018 Hindi movie is the most viewed Hindi remix song. It's a remix, but Hindi movie song on YouTube. Hindi movie song. It is not the most viewed Indian song or content on YouTube. Hindi movie song with around 979 million views as things stand today. Not surprisingly, this is a remix.
2018. Okay, it's difficult to put remake songs on a timeline. Is it Saki Saki?
It's not. Moving on to Ankita.
there's Saki Saki, obviously. Then there is Garni. Then what is all the trash that I listen to? It has to be one of those songs.
There were two Nora Fateh songs in that year.
एक तो साकी साकी था और एक मतलब they were all John Abraham movies only, no?
Yeah.
तो it has to be from सत्यमेव जयते, उसी साल आया था 2018 में। इतना इन डिटेल देखे अगर आंसर गलत हुआ तो बड़ा कटेगा। This one जो fire में जिसमें नाची, I can't remember I can remember the video of that song. It's all fire. Oh, this one Bombay Rockers का जो remix है. What's the name? Oh God.
I have a very strong feeling that's going to be the wrong answer.
हाँ, same. But अब कुछ सूझ नहीं आता, I might just say this one. What's the वो नहीं, ये तो साकी साकी था. What is the name of that song जो Bombay Rockers का remix है? अरे यार. ओए होए कुड़ी तेरी जान. I don't know. I'm gonna pass. I can't remember the name of that godforsaken song.
Okay. Shreya, do you have an answer?
Is it Dilbar Dilbar?
It's not Dilbar.
Then it's not a Nora Fatehi song. I don't think any other Nora Fatehi song is more famous than these two.
Dilbar is actually on the list of top Indian songs, but it's not the first one. Ria, do you have an answer?
Right?
Huh?
I know I'm wrong, but still I'll just answer because why not?
You may be right.
No, I remember. It's not possible only.
Next
It's
quiz
Sara
में
Ali
negative
Khan-
marking.
the Sara Ali Khan movie. That this one only. Sara Ali Khan and this guy. Wait. I think her first movie with Ranveer Singh. Why am I forgetting such obvious thing? Aankh Mare? Is it Aankh Mare?
It is Aankh Mare.
Wow,
18?
Wow.
I thought that's a 2019 movie.
it's been yeah. I didn't think of that song to be honest, but yeah,
I
doesn't
think
seem
of
that
it,
long.
but I thought that's next year.
It is Aankh Mare from Simba.
Doesn't seem that long.
No, like
It
It
2008.
might be came like at the year end.
I
Or
think it's end of
Yeah.
2018.
yeah.
That's the only song I knew from like this 2018 movie I remembered because at that time I was in India. So I was thinking the last movie I saw, and there I watched it 3 times. This movie 3 times. I don't know why. Yeah.
It's only fair that you get this answer then. If you have to go through Simba 3 times,
Yeah.
10 points to banta hai as compensation. But yeah, the song is crazy nice.
It's
Wow,
one of
I
the
didn't
movies
know
that
it is the
I like.
highest viewed Indian. Is it worthy of being the highest viewed Indian?
Hindi film
song?
movie. There's a Punjabi song also. Mera Long Daylight. Have you all heard that song? That is like 1.2 billion views from some Punjabi movie.
But even this one within the Hindi movie land, the most viewed song.
I think
It
it's
is-
probably because it's a decent remix. They didn't mess with the original too much.
Yeah,
And-
and it looks good. It's a good looking song.
And they
also.
got like Arshad Wasi also, who was the original star of the song.
Original cast they have.
Yeah.
In fact, I myself went and watched the original song also after this.
Yeah.
Is it a T-series song?
Is it a?
T-series song.
It is T series.
That's also a thing, na? It's most followed channel, so you have most of the people already.
They are all
the
T
world.
series. Even Dilbar is T series. So yeah, T series jhanda gaad chuka hai. Okay, because Ria got this, the next directors for Neil. Starting off in audio. I want you all to guess the song.
Okay. Aha. Okay, got it.
Okay, no clue.
I know this,
Me too.
but I think I'll come before you. Yes. I don't think Neil knows. I can't see Ankita's expression. She may know.
I mean, movie भी बताना है क्या?
Nahi, bas song.
Then she knows.
Is it कौन है जो सपनों में आया?
Yes, it is.
Oh no! What?
Yeah.
Not expected.
No.
Did you ever use the song Neil in your romantic journey?
No.
Is that why you know?
I know because I've watched this movie multiple times. There was a
What?
Yeah, there was a time in early 90s when Doordarshan would play this movie like every month once.
Which
Ruk
movie?
Gaya Asma with Jubilee Kumar.
Jubilee Kumar.
He dies. And then
I remember
He's
Mummy
back.
gave me this trivia that Jubilee Kumar was called Jubilee Kumar because all his movies would hit a Jubilee in theaters.
Rajendra Kumar. That's his
Kumar.
name, huh?
Yeah.
What is Jubilee? What is
25.
Hmm.
So like half a year if movie runs.
Okay, great. So with that, we've come to the last question.
Oh no.
Oh, acha, I thought it was done.
And this is a direct to Ankita. How do we better know the Barmawala brothers who have directed several Bollywood movies?
Abbas Mastan.
It is Abbas Mastan.
I knew this one. Oh no.
Great. So
Abbas.
that was the end of the quiz. Let me total the scores very quickly.
Why is the Kal Ho Na Ho wala heartbeat track playing in my ear?
I still feel the 7 points were very unfair.
If you win, I will come to Melbourne and take those points away from you.
What if Ria loses by 3 points?
Seriously.
We'll never hear the end of this.
Okay, so we've got the scores. Shreya was not able to score on this quiz. Ankita finished with 40 points. Neil with 43 points because of
God.
those 3 points. And Ria wins the quiz with 57 points. So a huge, huge margin. But yeah, well done, everyone. Thanks for being on the show. And hopefully we'll see you all next week as well for the last quiz of 2020. Thanks. Bye.